Interesting fact about rubber plant or rubber tree is that in the wild, these things can grow up to 100 to 130 feet tall and can live up to 100 years. But we are not in the wild, are we? We are in a house. So let me tell you about how you should care for your rubber plant / Ficus Elastica properly. What's up, guys? Hey, hi, how you doing? Hope everybody's doing well. For today's video, rubber plant, Ficus Elastica. So I'm gonna start off with some facts about this plant. Why is it called a rubber plant? So this plant is like officially called a Ficus Elastica botanically. However, some people also call it a rubber plant. The rubber plant gets its name from the latex that it produces. Do you see the stem here? I don't know if you can see the stem, like just the stem of the plant. If you cut off the stem, the plant will release a milky-like substance, which is basically latex and is used to produce rubber. So that's where it gets its name from. Fact number 2 is that this plant is native to South Asia, specifically the eastern and southeastern parts of South Asia. There are a lot of varieties of this rubber plant. The most commercial varieties that you can find are the Teneki, the Ruby, the Burgundy. There's the Fresh Prince.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down.
The Black Prince, I think it's called. I think it's like the darkest version of the Ficus Elastica. So you can find a lot of different varieties out there, but I think these are the most currently available and commercial ones in the market. Now for the care tips part of this video. Oh my god, did I not introduce myself and my channel? Oh my god, hi, my name is Natalia, and on this channel we talk about plant stuff, but you never know. Care tips of rubber plant. Let's go. I'm gonna start off with watering. This plant, I would say, likes to stay on the more moist end of things. I would say water that plant whenever the top 3 inches of the soil dries up. Do not let her dry completely, but do not keep her soggy either. I would say whenever she reaches a 4 on the moisture meter, then water her. Make sure she's moist the whole time, but not soggy, wet and drenched. Now, hopping into the light requirements of this plant. A lot of people will tell you, and they are bullshitting you, let me tell you, they are bullshitting you, okay? A lot of people will tell you this plant will thrive in lower light, or she will be completely fine in lower light. That is some bullshit right there. Why? I've been there. I bought this plant for the sole reason that I had a little area in my house that was a bit underlit and I needed a plant that will survive there. Some people said that this plant will do well in low light. Got it, put it there. Didn't work out. I lost a leaf and it didn't like grow or do anything for like a long time, all right, for a long time. I was starting to get so pissed with it, so I decided, okay, let's move her because she's gorgeous and I love her and I want to see her grow, you know? She's my child, I want to see my child grow. So I put her in an area that gets some direct sunlight, and that is when the plant started living her best life. Do you see this right here? Can't see nothing at all. Oh my god, this plant is so big. This is my sister's plant, by the way, not mine. Mine is in Dubai. Do you see this right here? I hope you can. This thing was so short and it wouldn't grow, and this is the thing that eventually sprouts a leaf. Sprouts a leaf? A leaf grows out of. As soon as I started putting her in direct sunlight, it grew so fast, honestly, and now I think I have a new leaf. I'm not sure because I'm not with my plant right now. I'm in a different country and I miss my plants. That's okay. I would say bright, indirect light, and if you could place it in a place where like the sun would hit her maybe in the afternoon, maybe in a west-facing window, then she will thrive. That's my opinion, according to my experience. So you could take it, you could leave it, you do whatever you want with it. It's just out there for you to grab if you want to. Moving on to humidity, as I have already said, this plant is native to South Asia, so it will thrive in a tropical weather. So I would say it likes a bit of humidity. However, if you are not able to provide that for your plant, it's totally okay. It will still do good in drier environments. So don't sweat it, but if you can bump up the humidity a bit for her, then do that. Now moving on to fertilizer. I would say if provided with the right conditions, you do not need to feed her that often, or him. Mine's a him. I don't know if yours a him or a her. Mine's called Roberto. So I would say typically fertilize your rubber plant once a month. I personally fertilize him twice a month. Because of the rough patch that we had at the beginning of our journey, me and him. Fertilize only during the growing seasons, I would say, so spring and summer. And yeah, that's it for fertilizer. Okay, I'm gonna show you my rubber plant. The one that's currently here between my hands is the burgundy variety. I'm gonna show you the leaves from the front and from the back. So this is her. I don't know if you can see because the light is hitting very weirdly. All right. Okay guys, I just dropped the plant and dropped most of the soil all over my setup and my tripod. And I bruised my leg because of the heaviness of the pot, but it's okay. We're okay. Okay, this is the plant. All right, this is what it looks like from the back. It has this burgundy color to it. I guess I'm gonna have to end this right now because I have to clean up and because I don't have anything else for you guys, so I'm gonna have to end it either way. All right guys, that was it for today's video. Me and my bruised leg are going to be telling you bye now. I hope you enjoyed my rubber plant care tips and I will see you in the next one. Bye!